In this video, we are going to learn about image tag along with all attributes. Let me write the title as image tag. Let me place head 1 image tag demo slash h1. Right. I would like to place image. The tag is img. The path of the image we will make in terms of src. Then no need of image tag. Still I will be writing img. Right. So how to copy paste the paths? Let me go to desktop. I have some image here. Right click. Any image you would like to copy the path, you have to open it in Google Chrome, like browsers like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Opera. Now I had opened in Chrome. Just from the address bar, copy this path and close this. No need of again. Let us go back to Notepad, and in terms of source tag you have to paste. Let us save this program. QNO 5 img tag .html. All files I am saving in terms of web technology folder. Right, let us run. What is happening here? Right, web technology. So question number 5 we had saved with image tag. Right, let us open. See the image which we had created, which is open here with its original size. Okay, now I am going to program again. Now I will be adding width is equals to 200. Now specifying the dimensions. So the width of the image should be 200. Height of the image should be 175. Right. So I had added two extra attributes called to be width and height. File, save. So let us go back to the version called Chrome. Now the image is resized to 200 pixels into 175 pixels. Let me make the width to be 300. File, save, rerun. This is the width of the pixels, 300. Now I will be changing the height. Here I will be making 775. File, save, then run. The image is stretched vertically with the same width called 300 pixels. So let us make it 200 here, 300 there. Now file, save. Now we observe the picture here. Now I will be adding border attributes. Border is equals to, let us make 1 pixel. File, save. If I apply the border, slight thin border applied here. If I make it to be 5, file, save. Now if we observe the thick border with the black color applied here. Yes. Now I'll make it 10. File, save. I make 10. File is to be saved. Then go back to the Chrome. Now you are able to observe with thick border, right? If you want to align the image, align is equals to center. File, save. Let us rerun. So it's not moving towards center, right? But when I add some text here, hi all of you, this is image inserted web page. File, save. Let us rerun. Automatically image is moved towards right of the text. If I make it as left, file, save. Now if we run, the text is left, the text moved to right, image is on left. Okay, if I write instead of this left as right, file, save. Let us run the same. Now image moved to the right end. Okay, now I'll go back to the program. Instead of align attributes, I removed. File, save. Let us run this, the default version. Now I'll make some more change in the program. I will add here the tag called br so that image will be in new line. File, save. So here is the image. Now I'll be adding another attribute called to be hspace. Let me make 100 pixels. File, save. Okay, so 100 pixels, automatically it is moved towards right. Now if I make v space is equals to 200 pixels, file, save. Let us run. See, 200 pixels from the top, 100 pixels from the right. The image got moved. There is another tag called alt, landscaping image .jpg, right? I write like this. When it will work means file, save. Suppose I had taken this image. Let me cut from here. I'll move to some location. Control V, I had moved it. Now the image is not on the desktop. But what we had done? We had made the path to be shown as desktop. Right? File, save. If you go to the program and run, the image is not there, but still landscaping image.jpg, the alternative text which we had written, alt text, right? This is what is being displayed. Okay, now if I bring back the image, if I bring back that image, then cut it to be on desktop. Still, if I run, file, save, instead of this alternative text, the original image will be displayed. See, now we are been seeing alternate text. Now the image is displayed. This is all the attributes related with image tag. That's all in this